Hello everyone, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2019 Tracer 274BH. Beautiful family bunk model, great weight, quality features, front cap. It's got a dual propane tanks on the front, power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, as well as a really large opening doors for all of your equipment. You can see there it's got the aluminum studs all around, a motion sensor light, and it has a docking station on the other side for all of your waters and everything. Frameless windows, just goes on and on. You got the electric awning with the LED lights, a beautiful stable step. You've got this beautiful pull-out outdoor kitchen with a grill. You've got yourself a dump sink, and then you've also got the fridge there as well. And this is a completely laminated coach, so side walls, walls of the slide, rear wall, all laminated. Great ladder here on the bunks as you come in the door, so kids have access to that. And check out this closet. Nice deep closet with deep shelves. So you can put tons of stuff in there. A great place on the floor for your boots, and then for us Canadians, a great place to hang your coats as well. Here are your bunks. So you got bunk windows on both bunks. The bottom one actually has two windows. A little cutout underneath here so that you can put a dog crate in there, or whatever boots and shoes you want to put in there. You've got chargers and plugs all over the place for the kids. And of course the back shares it with the bathroom. You've got a large shower there with shower surround. It's got a vent fan. It's got the skylight, extra room all around the toilet, and then some extra storage and space so you can put all that stuff you need to put out and around in the washroom there. Then in the slide out here, you can see you've got roll shades. This is a sofa which does have a pull-out bed in it, so if you do have some guests, you got a place for them to stay. Your dinette here, which also has storage underneath with doors under the dinette. Nice little light there, and nice deep 3-foot deep slide. Here in the bedroom area, you can see we've got lots of storage all around the bed with mirror accents, storage of course under the bed, plugs on both sides of the bed, windows on both sides of the bed that both do open. You've got a spot here where your pocket door, your TV can go there. You can put a large TV there if you want. And so really well appointed bedroom. Then we have the kitchen. So here in the kitchen, look at that counter space. Tons and tons of counter space. Really nice subway tile backsplash, glass top stove, 4 drawers for cutlery. You've got lots of cabinets above as well with nice white glass accents. Then you've got your fridge area here, and then this TV, which is also got your entertainment center all around it with storage, and it is directly across from the couch, so you're not turning sideways to watch TV. So this is a really great coach. We've got one left, and this is an incredible deal for an incredible trailer. This is our last 2019 Tracer Air 274, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.